Step first, install the drivers using a device manager. Here are the steps for updating the uninstalled driver. Type Device Manager in Windows search box. Select Device Manager from the options. Find the driver in the Device Manager which has not been installed correctly. For example, you can see in the app that my Bluetooth driver has not been installed correctly. Right-click your computer driver and click Update Driver. If that doesn't help, then it's time to install your drivers using different methods. Now let's start by installing the drivers using the Device Manager. Right-click on the Bluetooth driver and select Uninstall Device. Select Scan for hardware changes. This should automatically reinstall the driver. Finally, restart your device to apply these changes. If the problem is solved by this method, then you will not have to dare to watch this video further. If the issue persists, download the Windows drivers on the Intel website